Game Plans by Fan Clash, and today we are going to talk about Call of Duty Mobile World Championship 2021 East Finals. Now, before we head towards, we are going to talk about what the participants are, and we have got Team Godlike, Team Vitality, Revenant Esports, True Ripper, King Jui Club, Fun Plus Phoenix, Daoyu Gaming, Scars, Brilliant Owlex, Almighty, DG Esports, and Blacklist Ultimate. Where the groups are divided into two, which are known as the Group A and Group B for the group stages. From Group A, we are going to see Almighty, Blacklist International, Fun Plus Phoenix, Scars, Team Vitality, and True Rippers Esports participating. From Group B, we are going to see Team DG Esports, Dayu Gaming, Godlike, King Jui Club, Revenant Esports, and Brilliant Owlex. We are going to see playoffs first, semi-finals, upper bracket finals, then lower bracket finals, and the grand finals. It is a long journey for sure, and it is going to take a lot of time to go ahead and participate in best of your calibers, because the competition is not only within the nation, it includes totally of East Asian regions, and it is grand finals. Long journey, with that something huge to earn, something huge to gain. Even if you are not winning the tournament, for sure you are going to earn a lot of experience playing with international tournaments. The cycle is going to be same. It is going to be total of 5 maps coming in. First hard point, then comes search and destroy, then comes domination. Once again we are going to get to see hard point, and then comes search and destroy. Well, hard point is one of the key factors to watch out for. You have to contest it and to hold on to it is going to be very interesting. And crossfire, firing range, standoff, takeoff, raid, summit, and Hackney Yard will be seen for sure. Now, talking about the teams, talking about the teams from Godlike, we're going to get to see Learn, Burns, Bros, ZX, Neutrino, Trunks, Vegas, and Grim. This is going to be the Indian team. So is Team Vitality, Argon, Monk, Death, Moonscape, Sam's, Jokos, and Demon Sloth are playing. Revenant Esports, you've got Abby, Soil, Minho, Zyro, Bones, and Reckles. For True Reapers, you're going to see Prism, Shiaz, Techno, Fakes, Mystic are. So these are 4 Indian teams who are going to participate, and let's hope they are going to dominate in best of the way, best of the performances. But we are not only here to talk about Indian teams. Let's talk who is going to dominate an entire tournament. If I had to pick 2 teams coming in from Group A, I think Team Vitality shall be able to do it, and True Rippers is one of the team to watch out for. Now, this I am talking about as Indian teams. What about the international teams? Because it is going to be a mix of all teams participating, and there are a total of 12 teams within that. So I would go for Blacklist International as well. For Group B, once again, Revenant Esports is the team to watch out for, but over here, Godlike is also a very strong team to watch out for. So Godlike will be the team. For 2 Indian teams already chosen, and for other teams, I'm going to go for Doyu Gaming as well as Brilliant Owlex. Brilliant Owlex is the very renowned team, one of the oldest team, strongest, one of the newest team, and they are emerging very strongly. Other all are very old in terms of experience. It is only Brilliant, so it is going to be one of my risky pick. So this is going to be the small description about such a big tournament of Call of Duty Mobile World Championship 2021. This is Tanya signing off. Sayonara.